Hi, I'm Callum. I'm an audit executive and I like
family time.
I'm Millie, I'm a secretary and I like
cycling to work.
Hi, I'm Jayden. I'm an audit and accounts junior and I like kickboxing.
Hi, I'm Nikki. I was a teacher and then I changed career.
Hi, I'm Guy and I joined MHA MacIntyre Hudson in 2010. Now I'm a partner.
Hi, I'm Bav and I returned from secondment in Melbourne.
I'm Robin, an audit executive at MHA MacIntyre Hudson, and I'm taking a secondment to Australia.
me.
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 Me.